Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is another alternate card using the Warm Wishes paper pumpkin kit from November of 2023. So I have got an old olive card base and I have run the front of the card through the timber 3D embossing folder because I wanted a little bit of interest behind the card. It's made it quite wavy and soft, but that's okay because we are going to be stiffening it up with the layers on the card front. I've taken one of the gift boxes and I've cut it apart. So I've got the back with the flap. Don't worry about the folding. I was playing with a different idea. And I took the front and I cut the roof off. So it's just got the peak, and then we're going to layer it up so it looks like a two-story house. So super, super simple. It just means that there isn't actually room for a greeting on this one. So I'm just going to put adhesive all the way around the edge here. And I'm going to line this up fairly close to the top and even distance, and then give it a good press down. This piece is going to go here. It's going to drop down just a little bit so that we've got most of the upper window showing. It is going to cover up that center window, but I'm going to put a piece of tear and tape along the bottom because I want it to be really firm, and then we're going to dimensionalize the top so it stands out a little bit 3D. So we'll just put a piece of tear and tape along the bottom here, and then we'll put some dimensionals on the top just to give it a little bit of depth. So I played with the idea of putting a greeting on the front, but there just wasn't a way to do it, so it looked like it fit. It looked off. So I'm just going to, actually I want to line this up kind of here, making sure I'm straight and level all the way. So that tear and tape will hold that down. And then it does give it that little bit of lift and that little bit of 3D effect, making it look like there's a roof in behind. You can use, you can stamp a greeting inside. I can do the warm wishes from our home to yours. I did have Diane mentioned that she removes the hour to customize it for her. So you could cut it off, as Diane said, or you can mask it if you just want the warm wishes. And I think actually I might do that on this one. Let's just do the warm wishes, and then it can be very generic inside. And as soon as I find the edge of my washi tape, we'll get that going. So thank you for the idea, Diane, of removing the bottom part of the greeting when it's not necessary. So to do this, you just put the washi tape on. I usually use my fingernail and just run it down so that it's really definitely in between the two pieces of the greeting. And then you can either just ink up this little bit, or you can just ink it up a little bit and then just peel the washi tape off, and you'll get ink all over your hands. So it's a really good idea just to peel it off and just pop it down somewhere until you can get a tissue to clean that up. So I'm just going to stamp down the warm wishes like that. So we just have the warm wishes. So again, thank you, Diane, for the idea. And what we can do too, if we want, is we can actually put one of these little guys inside. So I'm going to do that. So many ideas come to me at the end when I'm making these. So we can just pop that in there like that. And then we've got a little bit of decoration on the inside of the card as well. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more alternate ideas.